For anything at all to happen in the universe, a force must act. For anything at all to happen in the universe, a force must act.
We usually think of forces as moving things around, pulling this apple towards the ground or pushing a car up a hill. But forces also cause the sun to shine. They make the ice melt in your drink, and they cause a plant to emerge from a seed. Forces are the agents of change in the universe.
To help us understand forces, thousands of scientists around the world have spent billions of pounds to build this machine.
I'm standing 100 metres below the ground at CERN in Geneva, and this is the CMS detector, part of the largest and most complicated scientific experiment ever attempted.
This experiment will give us deeper insight into the forces of nature than ever before. It's a long way from when Isaac Newton pondered the laws of gravity, but all part of the same story.